In any situation we're working with fire, it's important to have these gloves that cover your whole hand almost up to your forearm. These gloves will make everything safer and easier because you'll be able to protect your hands and be able to maneuver with a lot of certainty when doing everything. They are thick, they're fireproof, they resist up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So, I mean, I don't recommend doing this like we do when you're starting, but when you are dealing with fire, it's very important, very, very important to have the tools necessary to keep everything safe. And in this case, we're doing a creosote cleaning, and we needed to put that log right in the middle of that fire so that the gases from that log clean the whole flue. This is totally recommended for any operations, and you should have this glove close to your fireplace, close to your fire pit, or barbecue.